In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change password on eBay. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can update your password quickly and confidently. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your account on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Start on the eBay homepage. Move your cursor to your name at the top of the page. When you hover over your name, a menu appears with account-related options. If you don't see it right away, give it a second. Sometimes it takes a moment for the menu to open. This little hover reveals the shortcut you need without digging through multiple pages. From that menu, click Account Settings. This takes you to your account dashboard, where all your personal information and preferences live. Think of this page as your control center. It's where you manage everything from personal details to privacy choices. On the Account Settings page, look for Sign In and Security and click it. This section is dedicated to how you access your account, including your password and other security options. Going through this route ensures you're changing your password in the official, secure place rather than from a less obvious page. Once you're in the Security Center, find the password area. It's usually labeled clearly so you can spot it quickly. This section is where eBay centralizes anything related to your login credential. It's designed to be straightforward so you can make changes without hassle. Now, click Edit. That action begins the update process. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to confirm your identity for security, which helps protect your account from unauthorized changes. If you're prompted to enter your current password and then create a new one, take a moment to craft something strong and unique. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, or use a memorable passphrase. Avoid reusing passwords from other sites and consider storing the new one in a reputable password manager so you don't have to memorize it. If you've forgotten your current password, look for the recovery option on the same screen to reset it securely. After you finish, you may see a confirmation message and you might receive an email notifying you of the change. Both are normal and help verify that everything went through correctly. That's it. You hovered over your name, opened account settings, went into Sign In and Security, found the password section, and clicked Edit to start the change. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to update any saved logins in your browser or password manager so you're set for your next sign-in.